Thank you MS, thank you Kader MS from Lords for helping us. Wide delivery. Miss it. Catch is a goal. Taken successfully. What a catch that was. Covered some yards. And unbelievably well taken by Faiz, the fielder. Such an outstanding cricket career for Faiz. He picks up a beautiful catch. As a cricketer, as a cricket coach, Faiz doing an excellent established job in Kasaragod. Man in form and the player of the match award winner in the previous encounter, Vineet Vince comes and joins in at number 3. First one was a wide and second attempt from Ashfaq. That's a golden wicket of Nias PCC. Left that one. Very good delivery from Ashfaq. Right on the channel. Absolutely working for money. What a beautiful shot through the covers and some football and some cricket. That comes and joins with that fielding effort. What a standing effort by the fielder, saving a certain boundary and just allows a single. And that single brings Irshad on striker end. Watchfully left and he need to load again, very tight but away from the guideline. 3 for 1 from first 3 balls. Excellent pace that generating by Ashfaq, the little genius. He producing some extra bit of bounce and pace, that giving nothing for the batters. So far, so good. Lovely. That's a gain. Irshad is expecting a kickstart, but Ashfaq is doing the business in front of a best in the business. 3 for 1, last ball of the over. Very good full length delivery. And nicely played through the onside by Irshad and takes a single. He keeps the strike. Very, very tighty first over comes to an end. 4 for the loss of 1. 4-1. Adi over pinned ball. Ceylon Sporting. The vast experience, Muhammad Shabi coming with you over number 2. Nice execution right in front of Irshad and beautifully started by Shabi. Nothing from the first ball. That's a lofted shot and the fielders watching. What a timing behind that action by Irshad. Quality from a quality player. 10 on card by Ceylon Sporting. Keeping the length, but picking the length is very important for the batters. This man is one of them. Brilliantly back, what a delivery. Using it away from the batter, keeping it away from the arc and using it full. Smart plan from the expert. An excellent execution. Straight back, and this time the fielder there slipping but maintaining everything perfectly under his hand. What a catch taken by Ashfaq in the long on region. Brilliant over ball by Ashfaq in the front line and brilliant catch taken in the deep as a long on fielder. That's a big wicket of Irshad gone back. Shabir comes. Shabir Sports Line joins in at number 4. 2 to go. India, little miss it, but it was landed safely and giving a couple of runs for sure. As easily gets 2 runs between the wicket by the batters. Very well controlling by the new batter. Just trying to overcome the difficult scenario. Shabir Sports Line is a very well known and straight to the fielder on this occasion. 8 runs came from the over, 12 for the loss of 2 after 2 overs. 12 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ ടീം സിലോൺ സ്പോർട്ടിംഗ്. ടീം മാനേജേഴ്സിന്റെ ശ്രദ്ധയ്ക്ക് ടീമുകൾക്കുള്ള ഫുഡ് തയ്യാറായിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമ്മുടെ ജനറൽ substitution from Sapi. Just a one in form of Alakbai. Moves again. Really good control having by the bowlers so far, but Vinny is a dangerous customer. Vinny is a dangerous customer, but there is a fielder there. Is really dangerous field in the outfield for the team. Ashfaq brings another success. What a catch that was. Very well maintaining and very good judging one just in front of the row, going in a reverse and having a successful attempt once again. That's a big wicket. Ashwat Kasaragod. Ashwat coming into the frame of photo is a well-known photographer of Kasaragod. Ashwat Kasaragod joins as a new batter. Struck to the onside, straight away off the mark. Single brings 15 for Ceylon Sporting. They need to shift the gears. They have a big bench of batting lineup. In the air and over the infield and one bounce and over the row for a boundary for four. Very important boundary to close the over. 3 done, 19 for 3 Ceylon Sporting. 3 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. 19 റൺസുമായി സിലോൺ സ്പോർട്ടിംഗിന്റെ ആദ്യ ഇന്നിംഗ്സ് പുരോഗമിക്കുകയാണ്. അവസാന 2 ഓവറുകളിലേക്ക് ആദ്യ ഇന്നിംഗ്സ് മുന്നേറുമ്പോൾ വലിയ ഷോട്ടുകൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഒന്ന് ഗിയർ ഷിഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട സമയമാണെന്ന് ബാറ്റേഴ്സ് തിരിച്ചറിയുകയാണ്. ക്രാക്കിംഗ് യോർക്കറിലൂടെ വിക്കറ്റ് നേടിക്കൊണ്ട് ഈ ഒരു ടൂർണമെന്റ് ആരംഭിച്ച ഫായിസ് എത്തുന്നു. With that penultimate over, it's 19 for 3 right now. Ashwat Kasaragod was brilliant in the previous time. Valuable 24 we have seen. White ball to start on this occasion, trying to use a full length delivery, but a little bit missing from the finger. Goes wrong. Start with the wide. Full toss into the safe region. Ball lands and over the field, over the big man. That's a boundary for 4 from the blade of Ashwat Kasaragod. 24 സിലോൺ സ്പോർട്ടിംഗ് പതിയെ ബൗണ്ടറികളുമായി തിരിച്ചു വരുന്നൊരു കാഴ്ച. അവസാന പന്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ ഓവറിൽ ബൗണ്ടറി ആയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഇത്തവണ ആദ്യ പന്തിനെ ഈ ഓവറിൽ ബൗണ്ടറിയാക്കി മാറ്റുന്നു. Brilliant delivery, using it full and tight away from the off stump. Nice response from Ashwat Kasaragod and brings it back on the track straight to Faiz. A dot ball 24. It's to the onside. Just finds a gap. You can see Kebi Mai Party as a sub fielder. Miss it and straight to the fielder. Oh, missed it a little bit by the fielder. Another single. Rotate the strike. Couple of runs in an easy way by the batters, and then bringing 28 runs for Ceylon Sporting, moving to the last ball of the over number 4. Swing and completely miss. That's the end of the over. 9 came from the over. 28 for 3 after 4 overs. 4 ഓവറുകളിൽ 28-3 Ceylon Sporting. Sellu Kombanadikam coming with your over number 5, the last one from the innings. Oh, bowling! That's an exceptional yorker right on the channel. No reaction time for Shabir Sportsline. Was completely struck and silent there. That's a wicket. Amchu comes in. Lovely, and there it is. Ashut Kasagod is gone back in form of run out, and Amchu Solo was missed that one. No chance once again for Amchu Solo. Good start for this over by Salim Kombanadikam. 3 deliveries, nothing given. This one in form of leg by Ahmad Nihal, the bowling all-rounder on striker's end. Comes down the track, beautifully drives through the covers region, and there it is, a boundary. Well, little unbelievable scenes there for the fielding side. Very important boundary, 33 on card. Over the infield, bounce after finds a field of ice, gives a good return. Only one. അവസാന പന്തിലേക്ക് 34 റൺസുകളുമായി Ceylon Sporting. A steady innings looks to be. In the channel, magnificent execution to complete the action of the over by Sellu Kombanadikam. That's end of the innings. 34 റൺസുമായി ആദ്യ ഇന്നിംഗ്സ് അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ 35ന്റെ ടാർഗറ്റ്. അതുപോലെ ടോസിനുള്ള സമയം കൂടിയാണ്. GMC തൈറയുടെ ക്യാപ്റ്റൻ നജാഫിന്റെ ക്യാപ്റ്റൻ ഇരുവരെയും ടോസിന് വേണ്ടി സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. മാച്ച് നമ്പർ 5 GMC Taira versus Najaf. Welcoming the captains for the toss. Nice delivery. Straight away a 1 bounce warning. Using it cleverly and nicely, crosses the face of the bat by Shafi Chambarika to get his first run. Now Lala on strikers in. Oh man, Lala! What a crunching shot out of the ground by Bira Lala. ലാലയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടി ആർത്തു വിളിച്ച കാണികളെ സംതൃപ്തരാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് ആരാധകരെ ശാന്തരാകുവിനെന്ന് ബീരാൻ ലാല. ആദ്യ പന്തിൽ 6. Brilliant execution on this occasion, but they got some runs. What a shot by Biran Lala that was. What a way to open his score. That's a beautiful delivery from Irshad. Cutting the pace really well on this occasion. Just for a single, that will be the end of the over. First over done, 8 for 1. ആദ്യ ഓവർ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ 8 റൺസുകൾ മാത്രം സ്കോർ ബോർഡിലേക്ക്. ഇനി 27 റൺസിന്റെ ടാർഗറ്റ് 24 പന്തുകളിൽ നിന്ന് മത്സര വിജയത്തിന്. 27 റിക്വയർഡ് ഫ്രം 24 ബോൾസ്. Ahmad Nihal coming with the over number 2. Trying to cut and straight to the fielder. And gives her a 10. Just for a single. A clever start we have seen from the bat of Biran Lala. Produce a 6. That was open his second, and now Shafi Chambarika on strikers end. Beautiful shot over the fielder. Glorious shot from a glorious 15 runs. Excellent one to execute by Nihal. And takes a single. Oh, that's a throw. That's allowed. A second travel. Meanwhile, Shafi back to the striker's end with that double. 17 runs. Good going by the openers while chasing the target for Mehfin Chambarika. Just 18 required from 20 balls, keeping all the wickets in hand. This is a fabulous job that doing by the batters. Sensibly going by Shafi, and a really good start on the other side by Bir Answer once. Oh, Nihal with a top class delivery, but very well respond by Shafi Chambarika, having all the experience. He is keeping one end very safely, reacting superbly with a quick reaction power and sense of this man we have seen in a lot of occasions. Last ball of the over. Slow delivery in the sky. Taken successfully by Ashwath Kasargod. The fielder covers some yards and comfortably hauls. And that is a first wicket. Bira Lala gone back. And having a company along with Shafi Chambarika brings a beautiful partnership. 18 for 1. Just 17 required from 18. 17 18 balls of cricket, 17 runs of target, and Vineet Wins coming, expecting a magic on the other side. No magic there for the fielders, and it's all magic that works for Shafi Chambarika, ready to steal the show. What a masterful shot to welcome the new bowler. 24. Over the infield, tough chance for the fielder. He's working hard and stops it really well. Oh, looking for two by Shafi, but denied the call by Sellu Kombanadikam. 25 on card. Lost the first game by the team Mehfin Chambarika, and what a comeback, and this time they were sitting in the driving seat. Just 10 required from 16. Brilliant delivery by Vineet Wins. 15 balls, 10 runs. Hammer to the onside. A little misconnection. And it will be just for a single by Salim. Two balls to go from this over. We are in the third one. Another one. Stamping the authority. Bye-bye ball. That is gone and rest in the night sky. Wonderful strike by a wonderful player. Shafi setting an agenda. Only Moonu Venam. Padi Moonil. Trying to cut that one, but right in the hands of the wicket keeper. End of the over, 2 overs remaining, 3 runs of target required. What a fluency batting from Shafi. Bringing the chase is absolutely in their hand. Nias PCC coming. Just one hit away the destination. After a tough time in their first match, Mehfin Chambarika ready to celebrate with some net run rate. edge, but lands. Trying to play an attacking shot by Salim Kombanadikam. Once again an edge. And one more time it was land. This time takes a single that brings Shafi Chambarika back to the strikers and 2 runs away. The target for the team, Mahfin Chambarika. അടുത്ത മത്സരത്തിന് തയ്യാറായി നിൽക്കുക. ഹബീബ് ഉളിയത്തടിക്കയെ കമന്ററി ബോക്സിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. വെൽക്കം ഹബീബ് ഉളിയത്തടിക്ക. We are expecting some commentary from ഹബീബ് ഉളിയത്തടിക്ക. That is a victory for the team. Congratulations, Mahfin Chambarika. Won by 9 wickets and all the hard work done by Shafi Chambarika as a bowler, as a batter. He was absolutely phenomenal. Congratulations. The player of the match award goes to Shafi Chambarika. 1 wicket and 24 runs.